Yes, guys, morning. It's a new day, a wonderful day, a wonderful day that the Lord has made, and I will rejoice and be glad in it. Yeah, man. Morning, guys, good morning. A new day, a new vlog. Yes, man. What I'm gonna get is so today we'll make some passion fruit juice. Yeah, man. Passion fruit and ginger make a nice juice. So today I'll make a tea with that. So stay tuned. So we'll get the passion fruit pick and all that, cause as I say we're in a bush. So stay tuned for that, man. Show you the tree and everything. Yeah, man. So like, comment, share, subscribe, watch your ads, cause I make a revenue. Yeah, man. So stay tuned for that. So guys, some passion fruit right here. You know, so I'm showing the cheap and a close up and thing. But first, so we have one drop right here. So drop off of the tree already. Yeah. But I'm showing the tree. So all who don't know the passion fruit tree, we have an idea of how it look. Yes, man. So put the one in the pocket. Yeah, I'm showing a close up, some close up shots. Alright. The passion fruit be upon a vine. Vine like tree. Alright, so this is the leaf. So another one right here, so yeah, man, so the leaf. Alright. No, for some bush cover tree, but my son can open the tree so they can see a close up and thing and have a better understanding of what Gwaan. Yeah. So you have some up there, so. Alright, so see passion fruit here. Yeah. I'm gonna say be upon a vine. Yeah, man. Very nice fruit. Very nice juice and thing. Let's say you need it and put some of the leaf. Yeah. It's the other one right here, so. I leaf. It's the other one right here, so. The one a bunch. Yeah, man, it's the one of the passion fruit guy. So let's stay there and ripe on the tree and then all the one right here, so. So they fall off. Right. So look, don't know the tree. We have an idea now of how the passion fruit tree look. Yeah, man. That's an idea now of passion fruit tree. Yes, guys, so we have two nice small one here. So these two guys can make a lot of juice. Even one can make a lot of juice because of the slightly sweet and tarty flavor. Yeah, man. So you can make a lot of juice. So if you make it too strong, maybe we'll enjoy it because it was sour. Right? But me like sour things, but you will know if you make it too strong, 'cause that's why I add more to it. Yeah. So today I'm saying now make no juice with it. I'll make some tea because I see I'll be a green and tree and thing. So decided say I'll make some tea. I never drink it in a tea from before, so today I'm the first time I can use it, you know, make tea. Even the leaf can make tea, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, guys, so put in the ginger, some ginger boil in the water, and then once it's boil now, we'll just throw it on the passion fruit, you know, make it dry, and then we drink it. So I make it so. My ginger go and boil now for about 5 minutes or so. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, guys, don't be afraid to try new things because last night, me say, now go make a tea from the passion fruit, right? So while in bed laying down last night, I said, what can I do with passion fruit other than juice because I know so there's not much passion fruit on the tree. So right then, I try tea. So don't be afraid, man, for trying new things, man. Experiment with food. Yeah. So I'm saying, guys, leave a like on the video. Comment below and tell me if you ever had this tea before, and if you never had it before, tell me if you need to try it. You know. Yeah, man. Tell me what you think about the passion fruit tea. And remember, guys, I'm saying again, like the video, share it out to everybody, and subscribe. Yeah. And remember, this channel, yard style cooking and adventure. To all the new person on the channel, this channel about our country, Jamaica. You know, food, lifestyle, everything. Yeah, man. So come on board, man. Subscribe. You won't regret it. Nice content, no bad word, clean content. Yeah, man. Even though Jamaican use enough curse words, but I try to make the video as clean as possible. Yeah, so come on board, man. Subscribe. I say the channel about Jamaica food, culture, or lifestyle. Yeah, or way of living. So come on, man. Subscribe. Alright, guys. So at time, don't forget with tea makeup and thing. So add in the sugar. Now the cup. Right. Add in ginger. The water will ginger boil last night already. Yeah. And we're adding the ripe passion fruit. Alright, look at this, guys. So I'm bringing it closer. I'm gonna closer look at the passion fruit. Guys, so look at this now. So inside the passion fruit, look. Yeah, man. This now, just add a little sugar to it. To kind of mask a little tarty flavor or a sour flavor there. Yeah, man. So I use the sugar and drown out most of the sour flavor. So it gets sweeter. Very nice, man. Very nice. Very nice. So the passion fruit, guys, can be either yellow or deep red like purple color. Yeah, the skin outside. Yeah. Look at that nice color, guys. That nice yellow color. Yeah, man. I'm gonna say this now. You can add some sugar to this and eat it same way, so with the sugar. Or if I make juice with it, you can just scrape out all the inside of it and just strain and blend it for a couple seconds, strain it off, and then sweeten it with your sugar and your ginger. Yeah, man. And it's nice. Or you can just scrape out this, throw sugar upon it and strain it and rub it out, rub off the pulp off of the seed. Yeah, man. But the blender will be quicker and faster. So, we'll get passion fruit in our water and ginger already, and then get to sweeten. So this is similar to iced tea, guys. I think this is similar to iced tea. And we sweeten. Yeah, man, so what taste now, so I'm gonna feed. Right now, guys, you can smell that nice passion fruit flavor and the ginger flavor already. It smells so good. So time don't forget to taste in and see how well it tastes. But you can't wrong because the passion fruit juice is very nice, so you can't wrong. You can't taste bad. Look at that. Alright, so time don't forget to taste in now and see what I'm going to feed. Yeah man guys, so time don't forget tasting the passion fruit tea. And if you guys choose to do this, you can just strain out the pulp of it if you don't want, you know. So guys, this are similar taste like iced tea, yeah man, similar vibes. And you can taste that nice ginger flavor, that nice sweetness on the ginger, the flavor there. Yeah man, and that nice sweetness from the passion fruit also, and that little tarty flavor or little salty flavor from the passion fruit. Yeah man, you definitely can taste the passion fruit very well and the ginger. It's like when I make the passion fruit juice, but this nor I would say it's more tame, in as strong or as pronounced as the juice, but it's still good same way. The flavor more mild. Yeah man. I would definitely recommend you guys try this. Nice man. I'm not a tea person, but I definitely have a matcha tea here. Right now, this morning is sunny. Or the day started out sunny, but dark cloud come over. I don't know. Summertime now, but we also in the rainy season same way. Rainy month, so enough rain on the floor same way. Yeah man. So I would recommend you guys just strain it out if you don't want. So you can get a better drink and not have to worry about the seeds. If you don't want, consume the seed. Yeah man. So guys, I'm assuming with them we're doing this tea. Alright, so no. That passion fruit here. Like good. I'm gonna sharpen up that passion fruit here. Now I'm gonna show you the way of the sugar. Alright, look at that again. Yeah man. And then now I just mix out this, mix it out. Yeah man, very nice. Yeah man guys, so see it there. Don't want time to mix water now. Yeah man. Bit more sugar. Yeah man. Sometimes even eat sugar no guys. You just eat the same way, but If you don't like sour things, you not eat it. Just without no sugar or nothing. But sometimes it is that bush and you find out passion fruit, you just pick it and eat it same way so. I'm gonna say because it's very sour, we use the sugar and mask off some of that sour taste. Yeah, just look at that. The morning started out so good. And then here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Guys, so if you right here, so that means I'll make it to the end of the video. Enough respect, man, for the support. And this tea, guys, I would definitely recommend this passion fruit and ginger tea, guys. I'm say before, it's almost like an iced tea. So give it a like, leave a comment and tell me what you think about this tea and the way of eating, the passion fruit with the sugar. Tell me when you eat it with sugar or condensed milk. Yeah, man. And guys, if you are in the Lindsay area and or the Bagwak area, or if you pass through Bagwak, you can definitely check out Black Bamboo Grill, located in Bagwak Church Road. Yeah, man. Very nice food, very top-notch food. Yeah, nice jerk. So if you want time travel back in the 17th century when our ancestors developed jerk, go to Black Bamboo because very natural flavor, guys. No MSG or no season salt, right? Those natural herb and spices come together and make a greatness. And if you want KFC like fried chicken, check out Black Bamboo. Yeah, man. No MSG, those natural herbs and spices come together. The rice and peas, same thing. Original coconut milk, native coconut milk, not the tin one or the bag one, nothing processed, just natural stuff, guys. So check out Black Bamboo Grill. Yeah, so if you want to see the foods them where Black Bamboo create, guys, you can go on my channel. I do tons of food down there. And I also have a playlist, so when you can check out the playlist, you see, the food and or the quality of the food and thing if you want more. Yeah, so check out Black Bamboo, guys. So looking more soon. No next video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Watch ads, revenue. So looking more, guys.